Good morning, dear student. Today we will teach about Fabry-Perot interferometer. What is Fabry-Perot interferometer and what is the importance of Fabry-Perot apparatus? Here you can see very easily. This is a Fabry-Perot interferometer. It's very sensitive and it can measure wavelength of light or the difference between two slits very precisely. Here we would read about how its work and how it's vary from its refraction index. So here the alignment, first we will talk about alignment of Fabry-Perot interferometer. Observe the concentric circular rings, and second the measurement of wavelength of diode laser. Main of that, here we will teach about laser diode. From with the help of laser diode we will take deeply discuss the interference. The Fabry-Perot interferometer uses phenomena of the multiple beam interference that arises when light shines through the cavity bounded of the two reflective parallel surfaces. Each time the light encounters one of the surface, a point of it is the transmitted out, and the remaining part is reflected back, and net effect is to be break single beam into multiple beam which interferes with each other. If the additional optical path length of reflected beam is an integral optical multiples of light wavelengths, then the reflected beam will be interference controversially. More is the number of reflections inside the cavity, sharper is the interference maximum. Using Fabry-Perot interference as a spectroscopic tools, the concepts of the brightness and fineness and free spectral range can be measured. The meaning of this that Fabry-Perot interferometer works on in this manner that if we have the two reflected mirror parallel to each other, one is the 100% reflected, another is partially 95% reflected, and 5% is transmitted. It may be very 90 or 10s, etc. So when the light beams comes from any angles, then it will reflected by mirror M1 and mirror M2. Here it is also reflected, but partially it is transmitted, again it's reflected and partially transmitted again and again. So this is the parallel light beam which comes out from two parallel mirror, and they will enter to each others and according to their wavelengths and part difference and gives the interference results. So here it is explained. We can see that it is F is the light source which is taken into account, and G1 and G2 is a high reflectance coating mirror. One is partially reflected and another is 100% reflected mirror. So here we can say that here we would like to find out the part difference between the two rays. Here if we would like to talk about this mirror, the d is the distance between the two mirror, and the optical part difference between the two mirror. Here we can see that 2 nd cos theta in this manner will equal to be in find this geometrical structure. We can calculate the delta equal to 2 nd 1 minus sine square beta upon cos beta equal to 2 nd cos beta, and here we can find out intensity of transmitted light in term of these expressions. So it is very clear how much we can get intense light from this mirror, and here we can see that the path difference delta equal to m lambda, where m is equal to multiples of 0 1 2's numbers, and delta equal to path differences must to be multiple of 2 pi. So here this is the f, it is called fineness constant for a Fabry-Perot interferometer, means of that it will be high value, then it will be more fine, or otherwise it less fine according to this factor. So it is called fineness factor. So here next in continuous, here a Fabry-Perot interferometer is taken into account. We can see that how can it take into an experiment. Here a Fabry-Perot interferometer is fixed on optical bench, a light source which emits the lights, parallel lights. It is the lens which is the which explain in light in parallel beam, and after parallelization, beam which get parallel to each others, the ray will comes into Fabry-Perot interferometers, and there is much reflection between inside, and the transmitted light comes out outside this. You can see at this wall, this is the resulted interference of light, and very clear that you will have some circles. So it is a very fine apparatus to find out the path difference or wavelength of light. Here we have like the Newton's rings, but it is difference between Newton's ring apparatus. It is the first number ring, it is second number, it is third, it is 4, it is 5, and continuously. The radius of this ring is rapidly down when we comes from center to outside. So this is the main advantage of Fabry-Perot interferometer. So I am sharing this PDF in our WhatsApp group. You can easily extend and call me any problem if you feel in this Fabry-Perot interferometer experiment. Thank you. In next lecture we will discuss about what is the Rodinger and Hagen eyes. Thank you.